that bird is beautiful. Oh my God. Yes, you are.
Yeah, he's talking about you.
Yeah. You're a smart bird too.
Yes.
Yeah.
What is that thing for? That thing over there.
That's her perch. Perch, that's what she sits on.
Oh.
Yeah.
How much she weigh?
Right now, she weighed 1,450 grams. So 1,000 grams is 2.2 pounds.
Oh, okay.
You know, 1,000 grams is a little over 2, so she's around 3 pounds right now. They look bigger,
Yeah.
but
What's the wingspan, would you say? 4 or 5
about
feet?
4 feet.
4 feet.
About 4 feet, yeah. Yeah, they look big.